Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired January 19th, 2026. The topic of that episode was Imitation of Life Without Deity. Swami, your insights.
To overcome belief in the counterfeit of life, simply remember, if you see, hear, touch, taste, or smell it, it isn't real. Immortal, perfect life is purely spiritual.
Looking to reflect this divine life? Listen to the podcast. Visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriya Yoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamudachyate